Hey guys, today we're going to be going over the install of the Raxiom CXR headlights for all 2011 to 2016 Super Duties. Real quick before I get started, this install process is going to be the same whether you have an aftermarket bumper like this or an OEM bumper. It doesn't make a difference. Let's get started. The tools you're going to need for this install is a long flathead screwdriver, 10mm socket, and a ratchet and or drill for the socket. And that's all you need. All right, first thing you're gonna do, under the hood, you have 4 10mm bolts. Using a ratchet with either a ratchet or your drill, you're gonna pull out these 4 bolts. All right, so after you get those 4 10mm bolts out, you're gonna gently pull back the grill using your flat blade screwdriver. There's 5 tabs along the bottom. You're just going to push down and pull out. At the bottom of the grill, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you're doing is just taking your flat blade and pushing in there, and the little tabs will come unsprung. These are the tabs here that you're pushing on along the bottom. Once you get the grill out of the way, you're gonna have 3 10mm bolts, 1 on the top, 2 on the sides. Just take those out. Once you pull those 3 bolts out, just take the headlight, gently pull towards the front of your truck, and it'll pop right out. Once you get the headlight popped out, you're gonna have 3 sockets that you have to unplug. Bottom one, you just push down on the tab. Mine's broken, but you push down, pulls right out. Same thing with the top. Same thing, push down on the tab, pull out. And last one, right here on the side. Mine just pulled the light out. If you push down here, pulls right out. And once you have that done, now your headlights are moved. So here's going to be your side-by-side with the factory light and the new Raxiom CXR Headlight. This light is a fully plug-and-play, so you don't have to worry about any of the wiring hookups that you have to do, just all plug and go. Now before we do the headlight install, you have to run 1 wire for the DRLs. The fuse box is going to be on the driver's side, right behind the over expansion tank. To get it out, just pull these 2 tabs on the front, squeeze them, lift up, comes right out. Now to run the DRL wire, what you're going to be doing is pulling fuse number 50, which is 2 down from this fuse right here. So fuse 50 right here, just use your needle nose or whatever you have. Grab it, gently pull the fuse out, and then with the supplied wire, you're just going to plug that right back into the fuse number 50. Make sure you get it pushed all the way down in there. You'll feel it hit the bottom, and that's it. And then you just have to run this wire up to both headlights. All right, so get your new headlight down in here. Grab all your wires. This is the one that we ran from the fuse box. Plug in everything. Make sure you hear a click when you're pushing these in. Then you just want to get all the wires tucked up neatly out of the way so we can reinstall the headlight. Once you get all the wires cleaned up, just take the headlight, push it back. Make sure the mounting little tabs on the right side go into the appropriate holes. And then once it's back, take 3 10mm bolts, 1 on the top, 2 on the sides. Make sure you pull this rubber out of the way. Make sure if you're using a drill for this, careful not to go too tight. And that's the driver's side light. Now once you have both headlights in, grab your drill, set it down in there, line up your tabs, and then pushing on the bottom, You'll hear that click. Pull it back, look down. Make sure all 5 of them clicked. Once they did, push that up. Take your 4 10mm bolts you pulled out from the beginning. Get those started, and then tighten them down. Once all 4 of those are tightened down, your grill's back on.
All right, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the Raxiom CXR series LED headlights with black housings and clear lenses for the 2011 to 2016 F350 Super Duty.